Hi there everyone, it's Cassie. Welcome back for another Trinity Stamps video. Today we're going to be making a very fun punny card, so let's talk about what we're using. I'm going to be using this new stamp set called Lettuce Celery-brate. I've tried to say that a few times and I wasn't able to do it, but it's such a cute set. I've got the dies to go along with it, and we're going to be making a Yupo paper along with alcohol ink background. And if you've never used Yupo paper before, it is basically like a plastic paper. And I have a little piece cut down. I guess it's not a little piece. I don't know the exact number. We will trim it down a little bit more later, and then we'll use the excess on the inside of the card. But I started off by using some blending solution, just putting a little bit of that down, and then I'm putting the two colors that I have, which are Stream and Patina. And the Stream is the darker color, the Patina is the lighter teal color. And I'm also using an ink blower or an alcohol ink blower, and I'm just kind of putting some of that color down. What's neat about these kind of backgrounds is that you're going to get something a little bit different every time, and I could make these backgrounds all day long. Sometimes I like the veining out that it's doing, and sometimes I don't. Today I'm kind of going for something a little bit less than the veiny. So when I see those, I'm adding some blending solution to that, and I am spraying that out with the alcohol ink blower. And I'm trying to keep some white space available. I like doing that, but I have plenty of backgrounds that I have in my stash right now where I have not done that, and you can get some really cool looks using lots of different colors. So these are just, like I said, fun backgrounds to do. I could do these all day long and get something a little bit different each time. And so just again, going back in with those colors, Patina and Stream. I love that area right there. It just looks melded together so nicely. Such a pretty color combination. So we're going to put the caps on everything, set those off to the side, but let's take a closer look at this background. And you can see it's pretty shiny because that paper, like I said, is a plastic paper. And it's also not quite dry yet. So we are going to set this off to the side to dry, but isn't that fun? I love that color combination. All right, so let's move on to that adorable stamp set called Lettuce Celery-brate. And I have that into my MISTI. I'm inking all of those up using some Black Widow Stellar ink. And we're just stamping that down onto some Express It cardstock because we're going to use some Olo markers, some alcohol markers. And I'm stamping little faces on them. So we have two different types of lettuce. We have some celery, and we're going to add their little faces. And we also have some party hats because we are celery braiding. And we're going to color those up too. So our color combo, I'm going to do my best to put those up on the screen for you. I'm using greens, obviously, for all of our lettuce and our celery. Um, but we're going to start with our lightest colors and we'll go on to some of our darker colors. And the color combos I'm using aren't necessarily ones that I would typically put together, like these two colors here. But I thought for the celery this would go great, and I could blend that out pretty nicely with that lighter yellow-green color. And his little face is so stinking cute. We're going to stick to these same colors along with some purples for the hats. The stamp set has two hats, but you can see I stamped out one of those a second time. So that way we have three hats, one for each of our little characters here. And I am a sucker for a stamp set like this, where you've got an inanimate object that we've put a face on. I don't know why, I just love that. And then you throw a funny pun in there, and I'm all over it, like all day long. And so this one just had my heart from the moment I saw it. It's so stinking cute. Um, and I think it's fun to be able to put a face on an inanimate object. And then the three different faces that we have, they're all excited. So they're all pretty happy. All right, and then we have our final bit of lettuce. I'm going to say this is some romaine, but I think I'm coloring this more like the green leaf lettuce, or I can't remember if that's what it's actually called. But we're going to add some purple tips to this once we get to it, just because I wanted to make it one of those, like, is it a red leaf? Ugh, I can't remember. So here we are, we're adding that purple to it. We'll blend that out a little bit, but I think that's fun. We're also going to make their mouths, the ones that are open, purple, and then we'll go back and use those same purples for the hats. And I didn't do any shadowing or shading on the purple, so I'm not really, or the hats, so I'm not really showing you those. But we are going to bring in those matching dies, and we'll tack that down with a little bit of mint tape. And then we also have matching dies for the words. So I have the words stamped lettuce and celery-brate. And so we're gonna die cut those out. But I do think that's fun that Trinity does that. And they've started doing that with a lot of their stamp sets. And I think that's just such a fun thing to do because I don't always want to have to try and cut them out straight. So when you have a die, I'm in there. I'm about it. All right, so we're putting their little hats on, and then we're going to bring that background in. We can trim this down. It's mostly dry by this point. So we're going to go ahead and trim this down to be 4 1/4 by 5 1/2 inches. So that's going to be the full front of an A2 size card. And we'll save one of those pieces to go on the inside of our card. But I'm going to go ahead and attach this down to a card base. That card base was 5 1/2 inches by 8 1/2 inches, and it was scored at 4 1/4. So it is a side folding A2 size card. And I will bring in some of the double-sided foam adhesive strips. These are fabulous. They go perfectly behind almost all of the sentiments that Trinity Stamps has, and I love that. So we're going to peel off the release paper and we'll stick each of those down, little trio of lettuce and celery, and then we'll put our sentiments down. Lettuce, celery-brate. And then we're going to bring in these really cool embellishments. These are called Secret Cave Rhinestones. And I thought that purple went so well with what we colored. So we use quite a bit of those, but I'm going to use my pickup stick and some liquid glue to adhere all of those down. That just adds a little extra something something. And who doesn't want a little extra on their card, especially when we're celery braiding? So, and once I have all of those down, which this is the last one, that's actually going to finish off our card for today. I love how this turned out. It just makes me so, so happy. And I just want to smile when I see cards like this. So if you like this card, please hit that like button. Definitely consider subscribing if you haven't already done so. And be sure to check out all that Trinity Stamps has going on over on their blog, Facebook page, and Instagram for more crafty inspiration. Thanks for stopping by, and we'll see you soon.